Hi everyone, my name is Filip Ekberg and welcome to my C# Design Patterns course covering the strategy pattern. I'm a principal consultant and CEO at a consultant agency operating out of Gothenburg in Sweden. I started this company a few years ago and focus on building fast, powerful, and easy to maintain solutions. This course is for those of you that want to learn how the strategy pattern works, which is one of the most common used patterns, and how to apply that in your C# applications. We will cover everything you need to know to master this pattern. This includes what the strategy pattern is and its characteristics, understanding the benefits and trade-offs when using the strategy pattern, how to implement the strategy pattern in new and existing solutions, as well as identifying and leverage existing implementations. By the end of this course, you'll feel comfortable with implementing the strategy pattern in your applications. This will allow you to build extensible, more robust, and testable applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the C# syntax and how to build and run .NET applications. No other prior knowledge is necessary. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about working with this very powerful C# design pattern with the strategy pattern course at Pluralsight.